as you can see, I had a box here. This is the coffee grinder machine. So this is the second coffee grinder that we had. So I have the classmate. Before there are three of us. There were three of us. Me and brother DJ from Philippines and brother Alexander Haynes from United States. And this time, because our first coffee grinder machine, it's kind of old and stopped working at all, so it's been 1.5 years, and it was my first our first coffee grinder, so it's kind of, we don't have any idea which one is the good one. So hopefully this one will be better than that one. And brother DJ give this as a gift to all international students in our research international research room. So whoever want to use it, as long as it continue to maintain it, so it's okay. I have this, so I will unboxing it. Before, I'm sorry brother DJ, if you watch this video, I made this video just to appreciate you so much for this, and I'm sorry if I'm the one who unboxing this. Okay, basically there is a three part. As usual, the manual book and to know how to operate, and the second one is the machine where we place the grind coffee here, and the last part is where we put the coffee beans. So I will open it. Oops. And there is a hole here. So now I'm going to grind this coffee. Thank you to Brocha, because he just came home to Indonesia, and after I think last month, in the end of March, she bought this from our hometown. Of course our hometown is separated, but this is the local Indonesian coffee. So I'm going to grind this since my stock already ran out, no more. Last time I only put it here, so I will grind this one, use this new coffee grinder, and then alright, that's it. Alright, here I already try, like there is here, and there is off, and 10 seconds, 15, 20, 25 until to 36. So I already grind some coffee, and now we also had here, if you can see here, there is a French press, drip pour over, and espresso. So I use drip pour over level, and then I put it in 35 seconds. So now we are checking how the coffee grinder works. Here we go. See, it's not really soft, because I choose the middle level, so it's good for pouring the coffee with your filter. I'll place it here as my stocks. Oh, actually there is a good way
Just pull it here like this, and then this. So, okay. One more. Alright, I think that's it. How to use it from unboxing and how to run the new coffee grinder machine this time.